Welcome to my in-depth review of the Unicaja Banco Unicaja MasterCard credit card. This card is a widely offered product in Spain, especially for those who are already clients of Unicaja Banco, and it's promoted as a flexible, convenient financial tool for both everyday purchases and larger transactions. But how does it actually perform in real life? When I first applied for the Unicaja MasterCard, the process was fairly straightforward, especially through their online platform. However, I did notice that the approval time was longer than expected, taking several business days even with an existing account. The communication from the bank wasn't as transparent as I would have liked. No email updates, only a notification through their app once it was approved. Once I received the card, activation was easy through the app. The design is minimal, just like most standard MasterCard credit cards, and the physical card quality is decent. One of the first things I checked was the fee structure. While the card is advertised as having no annual fee, this is only true under certain conditions. If you don't meet the minimum spending or account activity thresholds, fees start to creep in. This part isn't made very clear at the time of application. Using the card in daily life worked fine. It was accepted everywhere MasterCard is usually accepted in Spain. However, international usage came with some issues. The foreign transaction fees are relatively high, and I noticed delays in seeing transactions posted to the app, which made expense tracking more difficult when traveling. The mobile app itself is serviceable, but not particularly modern or intuitive. You can view your balance, recent transactions, and due dates, but customization and notifications are limited. For instance, there's no real-time notification for transactions unless you dig into the settings to enable it manually. Even then, it's inconsistent. Customer service is another weak point. I reached out about a suspicious charge and had to wait several days for a response. The process to file a claim wasn't explained clearly, and the support staff seemed either undertrained or overwhelmed. This was especially frustrating given that credit card fraud resolution should be handled quickly and professionally. Many useful links you can find in the description. One benefit worth mentioning is the option for deferred payments and installment plans directly from the app. This can be helpful if you're managing a tight budget, but be cautious. The interest rates on these plans are quite high. They market it as flexibility, but it can easily become a debt trap if you're not careful. In terms of benefits or rewards, the card doesn't really offer any. There's no cashback, no travel insurance, and no significant loyalty perks. Compared to other cards in the European market, this puts the Unicaja MasterCard at a disadvantage. It's more of a basic utility card than a feature-rich financial product. To summarize my experience, I'd say the Unicaja Banco Unicaja MasterCard works if you're already tied to Unicaja Banco and need a basic credit card. However, the lack of transparency on fees, weak customer service, and minimal rewards make it less appealing compared to other options available. If you're looking for a credit card that offers more value, especially for international use or frequent spending, this may not be the best choice. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and financial insights.